Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to mention someone in Outlook. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This will bring you to your main Outlook dashboard where you can access all your messages and folders. Once your email has been loaded, navigate to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are located. This is where you'll find all the messages you've received. From here, select a sample email and open it so you can see how the mention process works in action. Click on the email to open it fully and view its contents. Now with the email open, click on the reply button. This will open up the composition window where you can type your response. This is the area where you'll be able to mention specific people in your message, which is especially useful when you need to draw someone's attention to a particular email thread or ensure they see your response. Here's where the mention feature comes into play. In the composition window, simply start typing the @ symbol followed by your contact's email address or name. As soon as you type the @ symbol, Outlook will start suggesting contacts from your address book. You can either continue typing to narrow down the search or select the person you want to mention from the drop-down list that appears. Once you select their name, their email address or name will appear highlighted in blue in your message. This blue highlight indicates that they've been properly mentioned and will receive a notification about this email. The mention feature is incredibly powerful because it ensures that the person you're tagging gets a special notification about this message, even if they're just CC'd or part of a larger email thread. It's a great way to make sure important people don't miss critical information buried in long email chains. And that's it. You've now learned how to mention someone in Outlook using the @ symbol, making your email communication more direct and effective. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.